How does hosting this meeting in Iligan City?
Well, as I mentioned, hosting is an excellent opportunity not only to showcase that Iloilo is more than capable of hosting international events, meetings, and exhibitions. But more than that, a good opportunity for Iloilo to show that it can be an excellent hub for investment in key sectors such as ITBTF, for example. Also a good opportunity for us to showcase that Iloilo and the whole region is able and willing also to be integrated in the global value chain by exporting our products to other countries and also other economies, not only in the region but also outside of Southeast Asia. And of course, it's a good opportunity to promote the tourism places or the tourism destinations in the region.
Sana you have a follow-up? Yes.
So good morning po, sir. Kanina po you mentioned some of the priorities for our expected outcomes, our
For this meeting.
for this meeting as well.
Well, for this meeting, there are a lot of topics that we are going to discuss. Foremost, of course, is the recent global and regional development. So for purposes of seeking guidance and policy directions for ASEAN, we have invited experts to talk about economic security. So how do we deal with the current challenges? So how do we ensure that trade between and among ASEAN member states will continue and not be interrupted? That's one. Also, we are going to talk about how to move forward with the various engagements that we have with external partners. As I mentioned earlier, ASEAN is not just working between and among ourselves, so ASEAN member states. We also deal with other external partners. So we want to enhance our economic relations. So for that, we want to discuss the same. And also given the current situation that we are facing, the trade disruptions, the various economic policies being imposed by other countries, we want also to make sure that in the region we have a common concept and understanding of what economic security means for us.
Does this align with the ASEAN's broader goals for this meeting?
Well, the broader goal is reflected in our theme this year, navigating our future together. And that gives us an indication that as we advance in our economic relations, there are a lot of challenges we are facing. And I think that's one of the reasons why in this meeting, one of the big topics that we are discussing will be on economic security. So we want to make sure that our future is inclusive and that will bring shared prosperity to our people, particularly in the province of Iloilo and other regions.